Hello, this is Sabir Hossain. May I know what is your name?
My name is Mahmoud Hassan Shabjat.
Shadjat. Where are you living?
I am living at Feni.
You are living at Feni. May I know what is your father profession?
Uh, my father is a businessman.
Your father is a businessman and you are living at Feni.
Yes.
Okay. So you admitted here to get your fluency. So do you like this environment?
Yes, I like environment because it's a so beautiful classroom, neat and clean. The teacher is a very helpful, and the students are friendly and comfortable class.
Okay. You had a very comfortable class with us. Are you satisfied?
Yes, I am satisfied.
Okay. So do you think you are a good speaker?
Yes,
Okay, you think that. Also, we are hoping that you will become a very good speaker day by day, inshallah. Okay, see you again.
thank you.